Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove Google Tag Manager from your website. Whether you want to clean up your code, fix a problem, or simply no longer need GTM, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, let's quickly cover what Google Tag Manager actually is. GTM is a tool that lets you manage and deploy marketing tags on your website without constantly editing your code. These tags are small snippets of code used for tracking, analytics, and other features. But if it's time to remove GTM, here's how to do it safely. The first step is to locate the GTM container code on your site. This is a bit of JavaScript that tells your website to run the tags you set up in Google Tag Manager. Usually, you'll find this code in two places. The first spot is in the head section of your HTML document, where other scripts controlling your site's design and interactive features might live. The second spot is right after the opening body tag. In most cases, the GTM code appears in both places, so you'll need to remove both for a complete cleanup. Once you've found the snippets, carefully delete them from your HTML. Make sure you only remove the GTM code and nothing else critical to your site. After deleting the code, save your HTML files. This is key to applying the changes. Most website platforms have a simple save or publish button that updates your live site. Finally, double check your site to make sure everything looks and functions as it should. Load it in a fresh browser session or clear your cache to see the latest version. This ensures that the GTM code has been fully removed and your site runs smoothly without it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily remove Google Tag Manager from your website without breaking anything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.